The plate boundaries consist of three major areas. Number one is the divergence, number two is the convergence, and number three is the transform movement, or here we have the transform boundaries. So in the keeping in view of the three movements, the one of the very important movement is the convergent. So in convergence movement, the convergence boundaries are where the plates crash together or subduct. Now here boundaries occur where plates move toward one another. Continental crust is thicker and less than oceanic crust. In continental and oceanic plate boundaries convergence occur, for example, as in happened of the coast of the South America, a subduction zone forms at which the denser oceanic crust descends beneath the continental margin. This leads to uplift of the continental plate and the formation of the volcanic mountains as the Andes. Now here these are the three in types: the movement from oceanic to continental area, the oceanic to oceanic convergence, the continent to continent convergence. So this convergence boundary consists of three movements. इस स्लाइड में हम ये देख सकते हैं कि साउथ अमेरिकन प्लेट मूव कर रही है टुवर्ड द पैसिफिक प्लेट. सो इज अ कन्वर्जेंस बिटवीन ओशियानिक टू कॉन्टिनेंटल एरियाज. नाउ वन थिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हेयर कि यहाँ पर जब डेंसर मटेरियल मूव करता है टुवर्ड द एरिया विच इज़ बीनीथ द अर्थ सरफेस एंड लाइटर जो है वो उसके ऊपर रहता है. तो इस वजह से यहाँ पर जब ये मूव कर रहा है नीचे की तरफ तो ये वाला पोर्शन फ्रिक्शन में आ जाता है, जिससे जो रॉक्स हैं या मटेरियल है आइदर इन दी हार्ड फॉर्म और सॉफ्ट वन चेंज इनटू द लिक्विड फॉर्म. सो जब ये लिक्विड में चेंज होता है तो इससे फिर जो सॉफ्टर मटेरियल को वो एरोड करता हुआ ऊपर की तरफ इसकी इरप्शन होती है. सो दिस इज एक्चुअली द प्रोसेस ऑफ वॉल्केनिज्म, सम टाइम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वॉल्केनोज and mostly are in the form of composite volcanoes. यानी यहाँ पर composite volcano बनते हैं जिनमें stratification होती है, layered structure होता है, older lava भी मौजूद होता है और younger lava भी इसके ऊपर होता है. तो Andes mountain जो हैं, जो कि साउथ अमेरिका कॉन्टिनेंट के वेस्टर्न साइड पर ये माउंटेन मौजूद हैं जिन्हें एंडीज कहते हैं, वो तमाम के तमाम सबडक्शन जोन के ऊपर मौजूद हैं. So this is actually a process between the movement. When two continental plates converge, no subduction occurs as the plates are of a similar density. Instead, the pressure leads to the formation of the mountain ranges as the Himalayas. Now here we have the best example of the two continental plates. One is moving from the north, which is called the Eurasian plate, and second one is moving from the south, and which is called the Indo-Australian plate. And both are converging with each other, moving toward each other. And we have the similar density, so that's why there is no volcanism, but we have mountain range, which is, today we call it Himalayas. So Himalayans are there, and this is actually a fold structure. The rock structure or geological structure में ये fold environment है. So fold यहाँ पे बने हैं. So we have a beautiful example of the arc-shaped mountain here, and this mountain actually has the highest top of the world, which is actually the Mount Everest, located to the northeastern side of the Nepal. So the convergence occur between the two continental plates. So this is actually area which is called the Tibet Plateau, this one area. And the southern part of the Himalaya consists of the plain which are made by the process of deposition by the rivers. So is a beautiful example of the continent to continental movement. Where two oceanic plates converge, the older of the two will be subducted beneath the younger, as it is in a cooler one and denser. So these boundaries consist of volcanic island where the oceanic floor reaches depth of up to 11 km. The features are marked by deep sea trenches. So in tectonic theory, 6 of the 7 largest plates are predominantly continental, but the largest of all, the Pacific plate, is oceanic. So it means most of the plates are continental plates.